Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to another 2-minute naturopathic yoga tutorial. So this week, I want to talk to you about how you can get longer looking, leaner, stronger legs, as well as helping out with your back pain. Because let's face it, there's so many people out there who sit all day or stand all day and they've got this ridiculous lower back pain. So what I'm going to talk you through is just a couple of little things of how you can regulate your hamstring length and strength. And it's really simple and easy for you to do. So what I want you to do is to come down with one knee bent up in front of you and come down onto your other knee and take a big deep breath in. And on your breath out, just slide your heel forward and straighten that front leg. And what you'll notice is if you dorsiflex your foot, so bring your toes closer to your body, you'll notice this beautiful strength and length through the back of the leg. So to bring a little bit of dynamic movement to it, breathe in and lean forward. And then you're going to stretch through the hip flexor at the front. So breathe out, lengthen the back, breathe in, and lengthen the front. So do breath to movement here. Use this dynamic stretching, lengthening every single morning and every single night. And you will start to notice a lot more length and strength through your legs, through your hips, and it'll help to realign your lower back. So always make sure that you do both sides. And make sure you're using breath to movement. So breathing out when you're lengthening, breathing in when you're coming forward. So the other great thing about this particular leg exercise is you're working through the colon. So the ascending colon comes up the right side of the body, transverse colon across the mid, and then descending colon comes down the left-hand side. So you're also working through all of your organs of elimination. If you're doing this first thing in the morning, that can help to relieve any types of elimination issues. So think regulation of stools, regulation of going to the bathroom. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you right away. All right, everyone, I'll see you on the next video.